Bluebird school bus air conditioner this morning. It's complaining that the rear AC fan doesn't come on. Let's confirm. Make sure the front one works. Yep. All right, let's go to the back. Got the ACC climate control system in there. Let's get this cover off. See what's going on. Got power supplied back here, so we're gonna tap in right here for our power. Come up here, put ground on right. Nope, ain't no ground there. Come out here to the breaker panel. We found a blowed breaker right here. I flipped it back, put my amp clamp on it, drawing 33 amps with the whole system running. Let's go back and check what the fan's running. Let's tap in right here. 33.9. After letting this bus run for a couple hours out in the heat, it made this breaker hot. The fan, this wire goes directly to the fan. It didn't draw any more amperage than the front did. So we're gonna assume the breaker's bad. We're gonna put that on there. It's the cheapest, easiest fix. Let's get this breaker switched. All right, let's see if all this still works. All right, cool. We'll leave this running out in the heat for a little while. Make sure it doesn't pop that breaker again. And I'll say this job's wrapped up, man. I appreciate you guys watching.